Hey everyone, welcome back to another town car video. This will be part 3 concluding the series. We have the halogen lights installed and the HUDs are sitting softly on the grass. To remove them, I've already removed these before to clean them, of course, and look at where that's poking out though, and I can't fix it. You want to remove top plastic plate, which is fairly easy to remove. Go ahead and we just untwist these pins and then pull them out. And you get those, keep these somewhere safe, like my back pocket. And that one's gone. I need to pull them from junkyards. And then we got these. Just twist and pull these out. Well, they should anyway. And of course they don't, because they're plastic and they break. Is any of these going to pull out? This one does, pulled out correctly. And this should just pull right out. Oh, looks like we got one. Twist that off and then remove it. Just lifting up on the cover plate. Whoops. And then, come on. Just getting caught on those stoppers. Here we go, we got that out. And don't know what we got over here. Alright. And this one, there's bolts here, here, and there's one down there. If you can get an extension to go down there, that'll work too. If not, just kind of work your way around it. And I need to find out what size this is. I believe this is 10, if I'm right. The size is an 8mm, and I don't have a downsizer for my stupid bed or an extension in that thing. I'm have to go on, so I have to use this janky, crazy, stupid setup to manage to get this bolt down here. This is you just look at that. That's a flat head right there. That's like an extender getting onto that flat head, and there's the 8mm. There's troubles. And then we just pull this off and remove this one. Already got them out, and work on the other side, and then we're going to install them. After you got all of them screwed out and taken out, remember that there is another thing holding this in, which is this push-in tab right here. Looks like this. Go ahead and push that in with just your thumb and then pull out. Kind of wiggle it back and forth till it comes out freely, and then that should get this out. Accidentally had this water rubber gasket come out, so just gonna shake that off and put it back in there between the pins and the outside. Alright, I got them in, and the HUD headlights are on, so the programming worked, even with the checksum error. So what it'll do if you have halogens installed, have HIDs installed and LCM still programmed halogen, is that when you turn it on accessory, they'll light up, but the second you go to start the ignition, they'll immediately turn off because the voltage the HUDs are drawn out too low. Alright, this is fantastic. We're going to put the screws back in, put the shield back on, shut off the car, and give you another update. Now that all the ball bolts are in place, we are going to be installing the cover panel. So let's take this up. Here we go, and then install the plastic clips, all the amount of them that didn't just disappear on you. And we're done. When installing them, I wrapped the this plate connected to the headlight on top above this, so that way this is a little more sturdy. Put in these, kind of fit them in alignment. White ones on top, black ones on the top. White ones on the bottom, black ones on the top, and I forgot one, so that's going to have to be have to do. Now you might be wondering, well, what's going to happen to the halogen headlights? Well, I'm going to kind of wax the front of them with some headlight cleaner, make them look shiny, and then I'm going to list them individually on eBay. These are in well condition. You see maybe how big is how well I take care of my town car. The base, of course, all the headlights work. You know, there's 130,000 miles on these. But hopefully mainly been indoors, judging from the condition of the car. It looks like we got something. So I'm going to list these individually on eBay. I don't know, thinking a little over 100 for each, shipping not included. So if you want to find these, the name is compute-_techs with a Z at the end. And yeah, I'll give you an update on at night of them running. And yep, see you next time. These are halogen headlights. And these are HD headlights. Now, just to notice that this is before the headlight alignment. I'm getting that next month on the 3rd, hopefully, if school allows it.